Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a digital kit to share with you. This is coming from Luisa, who is my crafty boutique co here on YouTube and Instagram. And it's also the name of her coffee shop. And that is exactly where you can pick this up. So her new digital kit, it's basically for planners. And she named it Spooky Cute Planner Kit. You get 10 JPEGs. And this is the name of her coffee shop, My Crafty Boutique Co. I also leave her link in the description down below. So if you want to go check her out, just click on the description box and it should take you directly to her link. So this is the new digital kit. It is a planner kit, like I said. And you get 8 backgrounds, and then you get 2 sheets with ephemera. So let me show you. I printed out the ephemera, and then I also put that cold laminate on there. You can see the holographics on there. I had it so that it would cut my outline, but I guess my Cricut, I should have made it go one more pass. That would have cut it completely away from this sheet. But I made these into stickers. So I went ahead and printed them on printable sticker paper. And this cold laminate I added on after it printed out. So if you notice, I didn't cover my, I didn't cover my guide marks right there, because Cricut doesn't like that, the holographic laminate, whatever. At least mine doesn't. Some people might get it to work. Mine does not. It hates it. So I try not to cover it if I can help it. So yeah. When I do have a printable holographic sticker, but I didn't use it on this one. I didn't want that effect. I like using the printable holographic sticker for my labels, my handmade by labels. So here I made it a kiss cut. So the sheet is ready. I can actually cut right down the center right here and right here, because that's how she formatted this sticker. As a matter of fact, we could do that right now. I'm gonna cut that in half, and then there would be sticker sheets like ready to go. So there's one, and then we're gonna cut this in half right down the middle. So now we have 2. I don't have to round the corners, but because I already rounded the corners here, I'll do that off camera. So here we have our second set, and just make sure it's evenly spaced right there. I'm not always the best at making things even, but so this would go into whatever planner journal that you create, and my stickers will be ready to go to use. So just peel this off and they're ready. So this is the same with this sheet right here. Should I cut it with scissors? Yeah. This is a larger sheet, larger images, and you could just use it to decorate your planner, or anything actually. So there you have it. I'm terrible right now because I'm trying to hurry up and get the video out to you guys. So I'm behind all my videos. So yeah, there we go. Just like that. And I can actually cut this down the middle right here. There, right there. And that's what my sheet looks like. I could put it in a smaller planner. Let me see if my corner will, I don't know. Oops. Yeah, this is not big, not the same size, but you know. The next time I make this, I will make sure I put this on 2 separate rectangles and have the Cricut cut it out. So it looks like that. You know what I mean? Like super easy. Let me just use this as my, whoops, as my guide. Whoops. I'm all over the place. And I'll show you her digital papers real quick. Let's just cut these out. It's not perfect. Like I said, next time I print this out, I will be using 2 rectangles to create 2 sheets, and that way it will make the corners rounded. But now I could take this again, like the other ones, the smaller set. I could stick this in a, I don't know the sizes. I'm not good at sizes for the planners, but these will fit the minis that I have ready to make. And I can share that later, but this is what the collection has, and I'll show you each in a larger print. And you can use these to make your covers, your folders, you know, double, you know, print on both sides and stuff like that. So there's one. Here's an orange with the pink and purple colorway. And then here is the more peachy pink color. My printer does not print it true to size, but look at that. It's so pretty. And it's so pretty. And then this is like a teal background with the pinks and the greens. And here's the black. Oh my gosh, the black. Takes up a lot of ink, but it's okay. It's okay. Like I said, you can print on both sides. I didn't. I even used scrap, so that will get covered up anyway. And sometimes I don't even get to use the whole sheet, because if you're going to use it for covers or folders and stuff like that, majority of this will get cut away. Here is the orange. So pretty. And then here is the black with the teal background. I mean the teal embellishments. So you get 2 of each design, but of the different colorways. So this one's with an orange background, and it's the same design as this one. So it's just different colorway. So very cute. I like that. So yeah, guys, go check out Luisa's coffee shop and, you know, show her some crafty love. You can follow her on Kofi. So when she loads up new, you know, digitals or her creations, you can be alerted or notified when she does that. But look at all of that. So pretty. It's very pretty. Ready for planner season. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh, holographic. And, you know, use your Cricut sticker option because it's perfect. So thank you all for joining. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. Join the crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again. And don't forget to click on that link. See you later. Bye.